Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your weekly forecast for Bitcoin. Today we have October the 18th and a lot of things to talk, guys. So let's start with this analyze. Let's start with this weekly forecast. And guys, very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. So here we are, and first of all, guys, I found this, and this is really interesting, guys. Maybe if we are forming a double pattern now for Bitcoin, and maybe we are forming this now at this point, it's possible to go down like this. This is showing us this really nice man here with his analysis, and he thinks about that we are going down again to a point about 36,000 US dollar. A lot of guys are commenting this negative. They are telling him why we made a really nice pump to the upside, a nice weekend close, and why we will check this. Guys, this is my YouTube channel, and thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you for a thumbs to the upside. 23 thumbs to the upside. I'm a really little YouTuber, and this is amazing. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for your nice comments. Guys, I have 1,870 abonnents, and I'm really happy for everyone, for every support, for every comment, for every thumbs up, for every sharing over the internet. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And I will try to check more things, more content for you, but now we will check. Here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going up with 0.59%, 24 hours. Ethereum is going down a little bit, 1.6% in the minus. The Binance coin is going up 1.26%. ADA Cardano is going down 1.56%. Ripple is going down, XRP, Solana, and so on and so on. So a lot of altcoins are going down a little bit. Bitcoin is going up a little bit. It's better to trade for the moment Bitcoin as the altcoins. We will check this soon here. Guys, look at this Binance coin in the week, 14% in the plus. Really nice. We will check now what's going on. What is the biggest loser and what is the biggest winner? In 24 hours, Stacks, biggest winner, 18%. And Shiba Inu is going up 7%. Elon Musk is twittering, or what is going on? And the Dogecoin is also going up. Yes, Elon Musk must twitter. 6.5%. These coins are going up really nice. And let's check the losers. The top loser is New Cypher. It's going down 13%. The other coins are going down 10%. Sushi Swap is going down 7.6%. What coin is the biggest winner? Look at this, guys. New Cypher is going up 381% in 7 days. What the hell is going on here? The other coins are also going down up really nice. STX is going up, Matic is going up, and so on and so on. Nice. Now let's check the Bitcoin dominance. This is the Bitcoin dominance. This is the big fight with the Bitcoin dominance. And you can see it here, guys. We are fighting with the dominance. 46.76% for the moment. And you can see we are here at the big resistance again. Guys, I told you, if we can break out from this resistance, it's possible to move on to 60% dominance. This would be the time to trade Bitcoin and not the altcoins. You are knowing, guys, if the dominance is going up for Bitcoin, it's better to trade Bitcoin. You make more gains as you are trading the altcoins, Ethereum or something like this. And you can see this little uptrend here. We are in the uptrend. We are ready to make a bounce over this resistance, and we need a bounce over this resistance. Okay, let's check the next thing. This is the 1 day from Tradingfees, and the technical summary is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. On the summary, and the moving averages are telling us this, and the oscillators are on sell. 4 hours buy, 2 hours buy, 1 hour buy Bitcoin. So everything is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. Let's check the next thing now. Let's go in this one. This is the 1 hour time frame, and this is a chart picture from yesterday. You can see we had here this line to the upside, and we broke through to the downside. On the downside, we had a target, the EMA 200. I told you guys, this is a big support, 58,000. We saw a spike down, but not a perfect hit here. We spiked to 58,800 or something about this, but not to 58,000. Then we saw the fight with this green line up and down again, and this is now our new support. We are now going up in this thing here, and you can see it's important to stay in this pattern what we are forming now. Okay, guys, let me show you the next thing. Let me show you the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, this is now really amazing. My nice member, Angry Higgins, from my live stream, I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week, Bitcoin Trading Informant is the name, found this line. And this is really amazing. Yes, you are right, Higgy. Let me show you here once again. Guys, we are now on a really big resistance. On the daily chart, we can draw this line. Let me show you the line from a candle from here to the upside, and you can see the perfect hit for about 2 days or 3 days to the line to the upside, and now we're going sideways a little bit. It's really hard for Bitcoin. We have to make it red. Yes, it is a resistance now. It's really hard for Bitcoin to fight against this line because it is a really, really old, long resistance line. And as long as we're under this resistance line, we need to watch this, guys. Really, really important. Also, we can make a line from the downside to the upside. And now let me show you this one. You can see what's going on with this line. Let me tell you. It is a green one. But okay, let's go. From the downside to the upside. Okay, it's a red one, doesn't matter. You can see we are now in this rising wedge. We are in this rising wedge and we are on the top of this rising wedge on the daily time frame. And this is really perfect. It was a really perfect hit here. Thank you, Higgy. Thank you for this one. Now it's possible to go down, maybe to this point, guys, to take deep breaths for the next big move to the upside. It's possible. It's possible. I will show you the bullish thing, okay, with the weekly close and so on. But now watch this. It's possible to go down here, maybe to 50,000, something about this. Let me check. Yes, 49,300, maybe. It depends always where we will hit this line, the support. It's possible. And you can see this member here on Tradingfees is also telling us, okay, we are maybe going up to the point C, or we are now on the point C. Now we are going maybe from this big resistance zone down to point T, and he is telling us about 36,000. This is a really, really big target to the downside. But okay, let's watch if this will happen. It's possible, in my opinion, to go down to 50,000, but I will show you now the really, really bullish thing for the moment. Let me show you. First of all, this is the Fibonacci retracement on the daily from the upside to the downside. And if we're going down here, it's possible that we see a nice support on this point. Now, guys, the next support here is 57,200. This is our big Fibonacci line, 0.786. And this is the next big support zone. And on the downside, you can see 0.618. 51,100 is the next big support zone. So these are the big zones. Before we speak about 36,000, guys, these are the big support zones here. And yes, if we go down from here, if we see rejection from here, it's possible to see this. I'm not telling you that we will see this, but it's possible to go down here because we are now on the upside of this rising wedge under this big resistance line, guys. So, okay, there's the weekly forecast. So today, no 5-minute turbo update today. A little longer video, not too long, I promise you, but a lot of things you must know for the next days, guys. Okay, let me show you the next thing. Let's move on. I told you 51,000, our Fibonacci. I told you 57,200, the next Fibonacci. Now, let's check the next stuff. Just a moment, guys. Let me show you this one here, the indicators. Yes, the indicators. Relative strength index. We are overbought. We are on the daily overbought. Attention, attention. This is dangerous, guys. As long as we're overbought, you know it, it's dangerous. And guys, the next thing, we still see a bearish divergence. We saw a downgoing RSI, you can see it here on the downside, and we see an upgoing price for Bitcoin. This is a bearish divergence, and we need to watch this. For the moment, okay, everything is fine. The RSI is going up, the Bitcoin price is going up, but for the longer time frame, we have here a bearish divergence. So now let me show you guys the ribbon band. What's going on with the ribbon band? And you can see, yes, a long way down to the ribbon band here. 55,000, 54,000 is the ribbon band here. No problem for the moment, but you can see on a pump, we always see a downgoing Bitcoin price to the ribbon band. So let's check the next thing. What's going on with the weekly? And that's the really positive thing, guys. We closed yesterday this weekly candle here on the highest point ever in the history of Bitcoin. This was the highest closing Bitcoin candle, the weekly Bitcoin candle ever. I will show you if we are making a line from here to the side, to the left side, you can see it. The body closed here on this point, and we saw here spikes on this pump, but no closing candle, no body at this point. So this is really bullish, guys. This is really bullish, and this is the point what's speaking against this theory from this nice member here, that he's telling us, okay, 36,000, because we are now really bullish because of this new highest weekly close on this on history for Bitcoin. The next thing, let me check that are the candlestick patterns, guys. This is the next thing we need to watch. Look at this on the weekly. On the weekly, they are working on the perfect way, on the best way. Look at this, the bullish candle here on the downside, and now we're making a bearish harami. Here we saw a bearish engulfing, and a bearish harami. Here we saw a bullish, a doji, and an upgoing price, then the bearish, then downgoing, then the bullish, then upgoing, and now we are forming, maybe, guys, the week is long, over 6 days, but maybe we are forming this bearish harami. And if we are forming this bearish harami, it's possible to go down here. It's possible to go down to 57,000, 51,000, 6,000, guys. We will check this. We will check this. I have something, another thing, guys, I want to show you. Here on the daily are the candlesticks, and you can see, and this is a really strange thing, guys. We are building so much bearish things. We saw here the bullish engulfing, and after this, a lot of bearish signs, but the price went up. This is not normal, guys. This is not normal, and you can see this is not working 100%. Everything what I'm telling you can't work 100%. That's for sure. But this is TA. This is technical analysis, and I'm showing you these signs, and these signs are still bearish. We have no bullish sign here on the daily. We have no bullish engulfing, bullish harami, nothing here. We have a lot of bearish signs, and guys, this is really important. This is really important to watch now. So we have this red line here. This red line is also a big resistance, because you saw it here on this pump. We saw a lot of reactions here on this red line. Here it was a reaction, here it was a reaction, and now we are fighting again in this line. So maybe we are building a double top, a triple top. It's still possible, guys. As long as we are in this resistance zone, everything is possible, and we need to watch the lower targets also, guys. Maybe taking deep breath for the next big pump, it's possible. Okay, but one thing, guys, I would like to show you, last but not least. Let me check one thing for you. This is the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we saw here a lot of things, a lot of candlestick pattern. Here we saw the bearish things and the doji. After this, bullish, bullish, bullish. Now we had a bearish harami. We're going sideways on a 4-hour time frame, but the last sign, and remember this, the last pattern we saw here is this bearish, or was this bearish harami. After this, we may go down, guys. We may go down. I'm not telling you that we're going down 100%, but we may go down. Okay, the next thing you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we saw big wicks in the ribbon band, guys. This is also interesting. As long as we are building our body over the ribbon band, everything is okay. Every confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band is okay, but we saw wicks to the downside. Now, guys, I will show you now really, really, really interesting stuff. Last but not least, it's a long video. Sorry about this, 12 minutes, okay, but for the end. You know it. If you are knowing my videos, you know my ABC correction wave here. I think this was the ABC correction wave. After this, I think we saw a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5-wave upgoing Elliott wave. Now, maybe we are forming the next thing, the ABC correction. And if this will play out, we may see these targets. We may see targets down to 36,000. Why not, guys? We may see these targets. This target from this gentleman here. It's possible, guys. It's really possible. So you know now everything you need to know. You know you are prepared if you're going down. You are prepared if you're going up. I will show you tomorrow more targets to the upside. Today we talked more about the downside. Tomorrow we will talk more about the upside at the next 5-minute tuber update from your Biti. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your support. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys.
System activated.